Achoo!
Bless you.
Thank you.
Wow, damn. Bless you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Alright, nigga.
What, man?
How many more times you gonna sneeze? You sick?
Nah, man, I'm good. It's probably the pollen in the air or something.
Oh, okay. Pollen in a room temperature house in the middle of October. Are you serious?
You acting like falling allergy season.
It ain't spring though.
Come on, bro.
Wait, shut up real quick.
What are we being quiet for?
What? You don't hear the wind?
What? We in a whole house. There is no wind.
Exactly, dumbass. What the hell are you talking about pollen for? If you're sick, it's fine. Just go to a doctor.
Relax, man. I'm done. I'm good.
Bless you. You exhausted your blessings. Get the fuck out of my house.
You got it. Right here?
Yeah, and don't come back. You're banned.